We are here at the Newark and Avnet Tech Experience. Really excited to be here to showcase Edge AI on many of our leading suppliers' technologies. We're featuring NXP, ST, Infineon, Renesas, and many more, as well as delivering hands-on workshops for customers to engage in the technology.
The most important thing that I've seen in these workshops is that the hands-on really lets you look under the hood, if you will, right? So you can have the data sheet, you can have the PowerPoint, but when you really start to go and work with the device is when you really see the power.
So there was a lot of good engagement, a lot of good questions asking about what does AI mean to ST, and we tried to answer that through the connection through the tools and the software and the hardware kits that we have here.
So we've just come from the Raspberry Pi IoT Connect workshop, where we had customers using real live demonstrations, real live programming on Raspberry Pis. Absolutely fantastic to see, collaborating with the Avnet IoT Connect team. Customers engaging with our products, always amazing to see people doing that and working through the simplicity of using Raspberry Pis with customers and also with the Avnet team. It was brilliant to see.
Yeah, we had some really good participation from the attendees. The lab was organized around getting hands-on with the UnoQ, going through our App Lab experience, and then connecting that to Avnet's IoT Connect platform. Everything about the product, the UnoQ really opens up access for the Qualcomm technology stack, and it makes our user base, which comes from the microcontroller world, gives them an access point to more advanced applications. In this lab, for example, we were doing image detection, but within our App Lab IDE, there's a whole host of different examples that you can get started with to really dip your toes into physical AI and start building custom solutions.
Really excited about the engagement. So what we deliver is not just a project, but they get to walk away with a kit. They have additional labs that they can run at their desk on their own time, and they can see how that AI technology can be added to their existing designs and again further that technology and advancement in their projects.
So today in our class we were talking with the IoT Connect. We were partnered with those guys to show off the Sensor Tile.box Pro and the AI machine learning capabilities within our device. So we're showing the accelerometers and connecting through an app on your phone to be able to get your data to the cloud, and therefore you can manage and scale your development, your deployment nice and easily using our free tools.
So I just went over a workshop covering the Raspberry Pi 5 and getting it connected to AWS IoT Connect using the Avnet IoT Connect platform. It really makes it easy to get devices connected to the cloud and get data moving very rapidly. Raspberry Pi is super exciting because it's a very versatile platform. It allows us to demonstrate a lot of different types of technology and a lot of different ways to connect to the cloud and do it very rapidly in a very approachable format.
Today's workshop was about the Infineon PSoC Edge. It's a new microcontroller in our product portfolio, and it's fantastic for enabling customers to do AI at a remote edge location. So it could be sensor, it could be anything like that. So that's a really important product in the, for industrial, consumer, and medical customers in the coming years.
Today we trained over 60 engineers on Edge AI and IoT applications from leaders including Raspberry Pi, Arduino, Infineon, and ST Microelectronics. Feel free to visit us at newark.com/devkit-HQ.